Lesson 20. Past continuous tense. We use the past continuous tense to express an action which was actually taking place at some particular moment in the past. For positive statements, the verb form is was, were, plus V1, ing. She was going to school. They were playing in the park. For negative statements, the verb form is was, were, plus not, plus V1 ing. She was not going to school. They were not playing in the park. For questions, was, were is used before the subject. Was she going to school? Were they playing in the park? Where was she going? What were they doing in the park? Study the following sentences in the past continuous tense. She was playing in the park. Positive. She wasn't playing in the park. Negative. Was she playing in the park? Question. What was she doing in the park? Question. Boys were playing in the ground. Positive. Boys weren't playing in the ground. Were the boys playing in the ground? Where were the boys playing? Question. An important difference. Note carefully the difference between the use of past simple and past continuous tenses. Past simple is used for a completed activity. Past continuous is used for a continuity in the past. Study the following sentences carefully. He came to my house yesterday. Simple. It was raining when he came to my house yesterday. Continuous. He left the room quietly. While the teacher was writing on the blackboard, he left the room quietly. John came in at 3 p.m. This is a simple sentence. And before that was a continuous sentence. Megha was eating lunch when John came in at 3 p.m. Continuous. Future continuous tense. We use the future continuous tense when an action is in progress at a given future time. When I get back, they will be having lunch. We shall be having tea after lunch as usual. For positive statements, the verb form is will, shall, plus be, plus V1 ing. He will be leaving in a few days. We shall be seeing him tomorrow. For negative sentences, the verb form is will, shall, plus not, plus be, plus V1 ing. He will not be leaving in a few days. We shall not be seeing him tomorrow. For questions, will, shall is used before the subject. Will he be leaving in a few days? Shall we be seeing him tomorrow? When shall we be seeing him? Important note. Just as the present continuous is used for a